Hello, and welcome to the third Public Information Center for the Durham-Scarborough Bus Rapid Transit Environmental Assessment Project. This video will review the technically preferred preliminary design for the City of Pickering from the Toronto-Durham boundary to Notion Road along Kingston Road. The preliminary design shows how dedicated transit lanes may be implemented along Kingston Road. This video will highlight elements of the preliminary design, including walking and cycling infrastructure. The design drawings include a legend in the bottom left corner that show the coloring and shading style for each element of the design. Design elements include red bus lanes, blue transit platforms, gray sidewalks, and green cycling infrastructure. The proposed curb location is shown with two solid yellow lines. Existing property boundaries are shown with a dashed purple line. All transit platforms in Pickering are proposed to be located at signalized intersections. Most platforms adjacent to center-running bus lanes. Platforms are generally located at the far side of the intersection, which is a space-efficient design that also improves transit operations. The platforms are located at signalized intersections to provide a protected pedestrian crossing. The platforms will include a shelter to provide weather protection for transit riders. Starting at the west end of Pickering, this project does not propose any changes to the bridge over the Rouge River Valley. Throughout the design, existing bridges and culverts are indicated with a solid brown line, and proposed bridges and culvert extensions are indicated with a dashed orange line. The first stop is planned at Altona Road. The Altona Road stop has curbside platforms to provide better connections with local transit routes. Continuing east from Altona Road, the dedicated bus lanes are developed while maintaining 4 general lanes of traffic. The bus lanes will be curbside for westbound buses and center median for eastbound buses. From Rougemount Drive to Rosebank Road, the westbound bus lane transitions from curbside to center median. To increase safety for cars and buses, median bus lanes introduce a raised island in the middle of the road. This requires all unsignalized side streets and driveways to change to right-in, right-out access only. To support changing travel patterns, signalized intersections will have a dedicated left turn lane. U-turns and left turns can be made from the dedicated left turn lane during a protected left turn signal phase, while all other traffic at the intersection has a red light. This operation supports safer traffic movements. Between Fairport Road and Dixie Road, Kingston Road travels under CN rail. A new structure is proposed north of the existing bridge. Eastbound lanes will pass under CN rail through the existing structure. Westbound lanes will pass under CN rail through the new structure. From Rosebank Road to Notion Road, the preliminary design proposes 2 general traffic lanes in each direction and 2 center median bus lanes for a total of 6 lanes. Cycle tracks and sidewalks will be implemented on both sides of the road. Note that cycle tracks are located behind the curb and raised to the same height as the sidewalk. Thank you for your interest in the Durham-Scarborough Bus Rapid Transit project. You can now review the design plans at your convenience. Please fill out the survey to let us know your thoughts on the technically preferred preliminary design for the City of Pickering.